YouTube, welcome back to another video from DJ Soul Agenda. I am DJ, here with my wife Chaz as always, right?
What's up, y'all?
Well, we're glad to be back here in front of y'all. So look, we have been live every night. So check your feed, turn your notifications on. We go live every night starting around 9 o'clock Central Time Zone.
We know you guys missed us, so we bringing the reviews back.
That's right.
Back.
That's right.
So we have a little treat for you guys, something I think you'll like.
That's right. That's right.
We picked this up actually a while ago, but the reason why we wanted to do it now is because, like I said, we think you guys will be interested in knowing about our pickups. We actually picked this up
maybe a couple weeks ago. I ain't gonna lie to you, I don't remember the date, but it happened.
It was like 2-3 weeks ago, something like that. We actually came across it. We were doing a live stream, and Mr. Man here came across it, and we thought we were totally wrong about the shoe. First of all, like
I wasn't.
Ultimately, we were wrong because we thought it was just a general shoe. But we were actually in for a treat because what it is, it's a one-of-one. It's a unique shoe that was made for the individual, meaning the colorways. Now it's a 998 New Balance, as you guys can see.
Now I kept getting the name wrong, so I'm gonna go ahead and shout out Kim for telling me what it really was called. Kim, you know who you are.
What is it called? I'll let you don't even know.
Responsibly made. Responsibly made. Because I was calling it something totally wrong. I don't know. What was I calling it?
Ready made.
I was calling it ready made. What ain't that? Is that a drink?
I don't know.
What is that?
I have no idea.
So yeah, we got New Balances, y'all. The 99. What is this? 998s, y'all. 998. You can see the side of the box on mine.
What size you got?
I got size 11.
I got a size 6.5. My true to size.
It says men's, and then it says homies. Homies.
Oh my goodness. Anyway, so I feel like this shoe is true to size.
It is true to size.
Very, very comfortable. If you don't know anything about New Balance, this is something new to you. Definitely encourage you to check it out. Do not sleep on New Balance.
Fancy
Good
little
quality,
box stuff.
good company.
There's that.
Yes.
It says things inside the lid.
So
like she said, when we ordered the shoes, it was 13 of us that ordered it that day. And like she said, we didn't know what we didn't know what color we were getting or anything like that. All the shoes are unique, one of one, never to be made again. And yeah, let's get into it.
It was made with premium materials.
Yeah. You all already know how New Balance coming.
Yeah.
You already know how New Balance coming. It's going to be premium materials.
So
that's the only way they know how to rock.
This is my shoe here. It's black and yellow, and it got some hits of gray in there.
With the little, don't you got little speckles in your little
speckles,
sole?
as you can see right here.
Yeah.
And it's a mix of suede, and I don't know what you would call this here on the toe box. And then it just has your regular laces that come in it.
Black laces in yours.
Black laces, yep. And then even the tongue is suede, and the back here is suede. It's just
you got
suede
some
all
leather.
over.
You got leather on there too.
Yeah, and then it's like really soft leather here. And I think that's it. But yeah, it's a really, 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 really comfortable
really
shoe.
Good colorway.
So like I said, if you're not, if you don't know anything about New Balance, you don't really rock New Balance, I definitely encourage you to check them out.
Right.
The materials are premium, and yeah.
So here's mine. I was excited to first of all, I'm a New Balance guy, but I was really excited to get this in. Living in St. Louis, getting the red and white, it's like they knew. It's like they knew. I've already put it on foot. This feels amazing. I have 3M. The white that you're seeing right here is 3M. The white on back here is 3M, and in the back is 3M on my shoe as well. And behind the end, this white that you see behind the end, that's also 3M on my sneaker. The whole daggone thing is just premium, as you can see. The whole shoe, you see that? You see, it's just ridiculous, man. And that's the thing about it, no disrespect, but I've started getting into a lot more New Balance and other sneakers, other brands, because of the quality of material and the build of the shoe versus some of the stuff I've getting from Jordan and Nike brand. I don't mean no disrespect to them, but I'm just being honest. and it's also good, you know, if we're gonna call ourselves sneakerheads, it's also good to, you know, expand your just not be a Jordan head. Like, you need to be into all types of shoes. I can't wear Jordans all day. Well, some Jordans I can't wear them all day, but these New Balance I can. You know, but you see, hers got black laces. Mine came with white laces. Pretty doggone comfortable shoe, guys. Really comfortable. What did I say? It was 13 of us that actually got it. Now, if you want to see the footage of that, we all unboxed them at the same time, and that's actually on the stream. That's actually the stream was actually recorded, so you can see that in the replay footage. Okay.
Right.
Then that was just 13 this year. Next year, we're looking to have a lot more people. Again, I'm speaking about the live stream. If you're not a part of the live stream, please, I'm asking you, please come check us out every night at 9 o'clock Central Time Zone. But what'd you say? We think we did good? We looked up?
Yeah, this is one of my favorite pickups for 2021.
It is my favorite.
Like, I was quite impressed. I mean, I don't think, like, out of everyone that picked up the shoe, everyone was pleased with their colorways that they got.
Yeah.
It seemed to fit their personality, you know, that type of thing. It was not any kind of ugly matchups or anything like that.
All of them look good.
Yeah.
Every single last one that we had from the community looked good.
Yeah.
It really did.
Yeah.
I would have been happy with either one if they sent it to me, but they sent me a red and white one because they knew, you know.
So maybe what we will try to do also is include some of those pictures in the review here for you guys so you can see and get an idea of what we're talking about.
Right.
But definitely, I think they only do this once a year. I know they did it last year, and the models seem to change from year to year. So, but this year was the 998. But yeah, we definitely are going to do it again whenever it comes back around. So if you're not already subscribed to us, our YouTube channel, definitely do so. Come check us out.
Come check us out.
We do, like I said, we do live streams every night. We do our reviews. We're really, you know, we go on Instagram and do those type of things. So I think we would love to have you as a part of the family, the Bad Influence Crew. That's what we do.
Yeah, if you don't know the Bad Influence Crew, like I said, if you don't know what we mean by that, that's because you're not in the live streams. You gotta come be a part of our live streams, y'all. It's the best thing on YouTube. Just call it like it is.
Yeah.
We doing big things. And I want to also thank to all the subscribers for subscribing, because of you guys, we hit 1,000 subscribers and some, and we actually was able to get monetized too. So I just wanted to make sure you guys know we are truly appreciative and really thank you so much for sticking with us this entire time, especially y'all. You know, a lot of you guys are here day one. You know, so I definitely appreciate you guys for sticking with us and getting us to this point. Just know that the channel is going to continue to grow. The community is going to continue to grow. We have a strong core of people that show up every night on our live streams, and we want to make sure that you come be a part of that. Okay? Because I'm telling you guys, if you like this content, you would love the live streams.
Oh yeah.
You would love the live streams. So while you're sitting there at the nighttime getting ready to go to bed, you got your phone out. You know, nobody really does Facebook now anyway. Pull your phone out, go on YouTube, and come check us out. We're there. We're gonna be there. 9 o'clock Central Time Zone when we start.
So we're actually filming this while we're doing
right
the lives,
now,
which is funny. This is day 67 of us, you know, consecutively, you know, live streaming. So yeah, we're here for our community. We're here because this is what we like to do. So in any event, I
love your shoe.
Yeah, I like yours too. I like the stripe on the side there. That's dope. Yeah,
it's got BMW vibes because I can't afford the actual car, so they put it on my shoe. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be running like a BMW.
Yeah. So in any event, you guys, we hope you enjoyed this review that we brought to you today on this New Balance 998 made responsibly. Yeah. Made in the USA. Yep, it's a U.S. company, so it was made in the U.S. rather. So yeah, that's what the tag says here. I don't know if y'all could see that. And y'all, when we tried them on foot, we left the tags on. Yeah. So we gonna do it on foot? You want to do it on foot? What y'all think? Y'all want to see it on foot? I think y'all want to see it on foot. All right, we'll do it on foot for y'all. So check this out, so gang, we appreciate y'all. We're gonna do this on foot, and we'll get back with y'all on the next video. Hope to see you on the live stream. Thanks so much. We'll see y'all in a bit.